हियो तोमोरो झियो तोमो पै भाबुची Gute Toro ya a Christmas cool.
Hi Deepika, how are you? How is your health after so many years of distance, struggles and sacrifices? I'm coming finally to your home in Kalata with the help of your IT sir. During the Corona time, you missed countless moments with our family, the smiles, the celebrations, the simple happiness of being together. But now, I'm returning with a heart full of joy and excitement. This Christmas, our home will shine brighter because my presence brings warmth, love and festive happiness. How is your my Join? Whether his health is good? How is Kenneth and Zebeya? Are they studying well? How is my son? I heard that he was a good motivational speaker. How is your mother health? Whether she is good? Don't fear always when problem will appear. Just close your eyes and call Papa. Wherever, I will come to you. One thing I want to say personally. If you are happy, I am also happy. If you are sad, I am also sad. Daily I am seeing all your work, development, food preparation, patience and achievements. Now I am so happy and feeling proud about your responsibilities. Taking care while our German guests are coming. You are sacrificing your rest and doing all your work perfect. Don't feel bad, eat well, take rest and always try to smile. Your smile will motivate others to be happy. Don't be afraid. My blessings always with our family forever. My time is over. Bye, Deepika.
কথার শোনা বলিলু আজি মতে অনুরোধ করুছি তুমে ধরাইথিবা ছোট মনে পকা আজি মো হৃদয়র পার শক্তি পুଣି ଥରେ জন্ম নেই তুম ঘরে বসিবা